In front of me is REDBEAT E3 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, hit Apps and tap on Default Apps here. Now hit Home app and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully changed. If you want to make some changes to it, just go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to the standard launcher, you can always go back to the same settings and click on Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!